of Embu County Assembly.
Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria kigina giki, Ngabana wa kaunti ya Embu Cecily Mbarire ni augite hari arutwo aria magunikite ni 8,760 kuma mathukuru ma gukomana maria arutwo mathomaga makinukaga 321 kuma mathukuru ma arutwo aria mari na mawathe na 1,387 ari arutwo ma mathukuru ma guthomithania kothi cia moko.
We decided to define this money because this money belongs to Embu County government, and we split this money into the 20 wards, and every ward we give 5 million. Every ward we gave 5 million, and the Department of Education we were left with 2 million. The applicants in all the ones, the applicants were 40,845. The students who applied.
Mbarire na tugiritie kamiti ya kaunti igi uheani wa mbacari na iria yahetwo wira wa kunyabara andu aria marabatara uteithio, akiuga mutaratara uria wahuthikire wari wa uma na kuona matiamukirire mateta ona mariku.
We will supply the county assembly because that's a very voluminous book. A county assembly, a list now of the students, the school plus the students per ward, so that they can keep it with them and be able to know which child has received bursary in their wards.
Ohidani riu ni augite ekugeria kuringana na uhoti wake niguo gutigirira kigina giki ni kiongererwo niguo mahote gukinyira arutwo makiria aria marabatara uteithio wa mathomo.
We are hoping this coming years tutaongeza hiyo bursary ikiwa kiwango ambayo tunaweza saidia wengine na wengine.
Niongereire kuga ati uteithio ni ukunyita itemi rinene hari kunyihiria aciari mirigo minene iria makoragwo nayo ya kuriha fithi.
Feel free to communicate through either the CEC education or the chief officer education so that we can see whether whatever we have in the department can help you, especially the very needy cases that you might have and you feel surely we need to help.
Mwanene wake munini wa Ngabana Kinyua Mugo ni ugite basari ya mwaka uyu niyo ya iguru muno gukiringithanio na miaka ya hau kabere.
Ile tu nafasi unaweza patia mtoto wa maskini aweze kuketi miezi moja na mtoto wa tajiri ikumpatie elimu. The only way unaweza patia mtoto, ile kitu unaweza patia mtoto wa maskini aingia katika soko ya kutafuta biashara na mtoto wa tajiri ni kumpatia elimu.
Gerifotira Kameme TV zitago irimu wa Kimani.